Hello and welcome to the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge. Congratulations on finding your way to the second clue. I hope you are enjoying the scavenger hunt so far. Remember, each location you visit will also give you a part of the final puzzle. Your first puzzle piece is S T R. Keep an eye out for the remaining pieces as you continue the scavenger hunt. Here is your next clue. I am the place where we learn to observe, where we measure and classify and analyze and preserve. Find me among the specimens and the microscopes and the charts, in the room with the science and the experiments and the parts. Remember, teamwork is key. Work together with your teammates to solve the clues, find your way to each location, and put together the final puzzle. Good luck, and have fun! I will see you at the next location.